I have a wonderful friend called Frank. 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 Frank, Obunigwe. Frank, Obunigwe. Frank, Obunigwe. Frank, Obunigwe. I have a wonderful friend called Frank. 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 Frank, Obunigwe. Frank, Obunigwe. Frank, Obunigwe. Frank, Obunigwe. Frank could be from River State. Frank could be from Imo State. Frank could be from Ondo State. Frank could be from Ebonyi State. But the truth, who cares? Frank is a good guy. When you want something, Frank is there. When you want him to attend an event, Frank is there. When you want him to help you do some work, Frank is there. When you want him to buy a ticket, Frank is there. Frank is a fellow businessman, and only businessman can understand this. Only businessmen can understand this. Sometimes you have no money and you're broke and something breaks down and you just got to call another businessman to help you fix something. Yeah, Frank would be there. That's why I tell you, I have a wonderful friend in Frank. I have a wonderful friend called Frank. Maduka, another wonderful friend is Akwanza Wamtenga. Another wonderful friend is Akin Akinyemi. Another wonderful friend is Tim McGill. Another wonderful friend is Peter Kalu. Another wonderful friend is Peter Okwongo. Another wonderful friend is Curtis. Dr. C, another wonderful friend is James. Little boy, another wonderful friend is Ahmed. Bisa, another wonderful friend is Joseph. Ochien, another wonderful friend is Joseph. Caswell, another wonderful friend is you. Another wonderful friend is you. Frank is my friend. Frank is my friend. Frank, you are amazing. Frank, you are a true friend. I tell you, we got to celebrate. You got to celebrate your friends while the sun shines. In the sunshine state, celebrate your friends while the sun shines. In the sunshine state. way. Let me play something for you. Frank, a true friend. You are there when we have problems. Frank, this is for you. Frank, this AfroJazz, I made it for you. Don't give up on your old friend for a new friend who's just passing by. Don't give up on an old friend for a new friend who's just passing by. Frank, Obunonigwe. Frank, Obunonigwe. I have a wonderful friend called Frank. 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 Frank could be from River State. Frank could be from Imo State. Frank could be from Ondo State. Frank could be from Ebonyi State. I have a wonderful friend called Frank. I have a wonderful friend called Frank. Maduka, another wonderful friend is Akwanza. Wamutenga, another wonderful friend is a king. Akinyemi, another wonderful friend is Tim McGill. Another wonderful friend is Peter Kalu. Another wonderful friend is Peter Okwanku. Another wonderful friend is Curtis. Dr. C, another wonderful friend is Ahmed. Biza, another wonderful friend is Ochieng. Joseph, another wonderful friend is Joseph. Caswell, and another wonderful friend is you. Another wonderful friend is Peter. Kalu, another wonderful friend is Joseph. Oche, another wonderful friend is you. Frank, don't worry. Frank, Obonigwe. Frank. Do not give up on your old friend for a new friend who's just passing by. Do not give up on an old friend for a new friend who's just passing by. I have a new friend called Frank. I have an old friend called Frank. I have an old friend called Frank. I have an old friend called Frank. Give up on your old friend for a new friend who's just passing by. Do not give up on your old friend for a new friend who's just passing by. Let's say, do not give up on an old friend for a new friend who's just passing by. Say that again. Do not give up on an old friend for a new friend who's just passing by. Let's go again. I have a wonderful friend called Frank. I have a wonderful friend called Frank. I have a wonderful friend called Frank. Frankie, Frank, wonderful friend called Frank. Frank, oh, Nigwe. Frank, oh, no Nigwe. Frank, oh, no Nigwe. Frank, oh, no Nigwe. Frank could be from River State. Frank could be from Imo State. Frank could be from Ondo State. Frank could be from Ibani State. I have a wonderful friend called Frank. Maduka, another wonderful friend called Kwanzaa. Wamtenga, another wonderful friend is Akin. Akinyemi, another wonderful friend is Steen. Another wonderful friend is Peter. Kalu, another wonderful friend is Curtis. Dr. C, another wonderful friend is Peter. Okwonku, another wonderful friend is James. Little boy, another wonderful friend is Ahmed. Bisa, another wonderful friend is Joseph. Oche, another wonderful friend is Joseph. Caswell, and another wonderful friend is you.